Go ahead, get the chicken. You want mommy to do that part? You don't like that part? Okay. Put the chicken in, and then what do you do? Good girl. Cover it with the flour. Now you want to pack it in, right? You push the flour into the chicken now? I think you got enough on there. You just like doing that part? Is that part fun? How about we pack it in now? You go like this? Pack it in. Flip it over. And flip it over so we can get the other side good. Cover it with the flour, pack it in, and shake it off and put it on the plate. Good girl. All right, I think that's good. You want to shake it off? You shake off all the extra flour now, Marcel? Yeah? You guys shake off, remember, hold it up at the top and shake, 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 and then you can put it over there. Okay? Another piece of chicken? There you go. My 2-year-old is helping me make fried chicken. Because she loves to help mommy do everything, don't you, Marcel? Yeah. Good girl. All right, pack it in. You gonna pack it in? Mommy need to help you with that part? Go pack, pack, pack. Pack, pack, pack. There you go. Now let's flip it over. How's the other side look? Turn it over. The other side good? Yeah, it looks pretty good to me. A little bit more right in the center. Good girl. And pack, pack, pack. There you go. Look at you. Don't punch it. All right, I think that's enough, Marcel. You want to shake it off? Get all the extra flour off. Shake, shake, shake. No, you gotta shake it first. Remember, you're gonna take off all the extra flour. If you hold it up at the end, it's easier to do it like that, okay? And then we'll put it over there. Next one? Yeah. Yeah? Helping mommy in the kitchen. Yeah. I love you, Marcel. Mama, baby love? Good girl. All right, pack it down. Oh, got a little spot you need to cover still? Okay. She's very precise. All right, pack it in, honey. Push it down. You gonna flip it over? Oh, you gonna shake, shake, shake? You gonna check the other side? See if the other side has flour on it? Yeah. Yeah? Let's check the other side. Boop. It looks pretty good, but let's pack it down just a little bit more. There we go. It's good?
Yeah.
Okay. Put another piece of chicken in there? Yeah? There you go. You're doing such a good job. Thank you for helping me, Marcel. Okay, let's pack it in. Pack it. Remember, you gotta push it. Remember? You gotta push it down gently. Then you want to turn it over, right? There you go. Good job. You want to put a little bit more on that side? Or is it good? It's good? You want to shake it off? All right, you can put it over there with the other ones. Yay, another one. It's fun playing in flour, isn't it? I love you so much, Marcel. You're such a beautiful soul. All right, you want to pack it in? You want Mommy's help to pack it in, or do you like doing that part? Good job. You shake it, shake it, shake it. Now probably it's good, huh? The other side okay? Oh, pretty much, just a little bit. Are you having fun? Marcel, do you like it? Yeah? All of my children have always helped me in the kitchen from a young age. I think it's very, very important to install in your children the values and things of life that a lot of people don't anymore. Cooking in my family is something that is important, and I want my children to be able to know how to do it in a healthy and tasty way. So by helping me from a young age, they have learned a lot. I also have a 9, 10, and 11-year-old, and they are quite extensive little cooks already. And this one is too, and she loves to help me do everything. I think that one's ready to shake, honey. No, you're not ready to shake it yet? You having fun? I remember playing in flour when I was a little girl, making cakes with my mom and making dinner, and it was just such wonderful experiences. It's a good thing to make great memories and teach your children wonderful things at the same time. All right, honey, I think that one is definitely shakeable. Let's shake that one off and get another one in there, okay? Shake, shake. And put it over there? Okay. Yeah, put another one in there? Yeah, we've only got 3 more. You're doing such a great job for your first time ever making fried chicken. I am so proud of you, Marcel. Is it fun? No? No more fun now? Yeah, I know you're having fun, silly. What is that face? Huh? What is that face? Oh, what is that face? Huh? You silly. You want to pack it in now? I think it's time to pack it in now. There you go. Good girl. Yeah, you're doing it. All by yourself, too. You want to check the other side? There you go. Good girl. You're adorable. Or shake, shake, shake. No, we gotta take that one out first, remember? Good girl. Shake off all the extra flour. Good girl. Are you ready to get it from this one now? Good girl, look at you. She was scared at the beginning of the movie, but now she's okay with it. Huh. Good girl, you're learning and growing and having fun doing it. I love you. What? What? You pat it down? How's the other side look? Is good? Yeah? Good job. Now I know when I was a child I was not allowed to touch raw meat, especially chicken or pork. But I know that my child is smart enough not to stick her hands in her eyes or her mouth until after we wash them thoroughly. So I trust my child, and I know that she will be completely safe with it, and I am allowing her to, yes, touch raw chicken, which is something my mom did not let me do, but that's okay, because I am not my mom. My mom helped me learn and grow about a lot of different things, but she would not let me touch raw meat for a long time. So it was kind of like the knives. I don't know, I was using a knife at like 7 or 8 very well. But that's because I started at a very young age learning. You teach them how to do it in the right way and make sure that they're safe doing it. It's an awesome, wonderful experience. And now you know how to bread chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's all gone. You did it all. You say yay? Yeah, it's all over there now. And now we're going to let it sit for a little while, and then we're going to cook it for dinner. I love you. Time to get cleaned up.